Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome everyone who is in grade 7, level A, and grade 8, level B. Today, inshallah, we're going to start a new unit in our course book Global English 7, which is Unit 12. Please prepare your course book with Unit 12 and open on page 94. Our unit, it talks about climate and the environment. We are going to know how is the climate or how is the weather in the world. And just before we start, we need to understand, well, what's the difference between climate and weather? Think for 30 seconds. Do you know what is the difference between climate and weather, or you need explanation? Well done. Climate, when we are talking about the state, okay, or the permanent weather in a particular area. For example, just when I say the climate in Jeddah is hot, or the climate in Canada is very cold. But the weather is the temperature, or how is the weather in a place for a period of time. Like for example, when I say the weather today is very cold or it's raining, but that's not the normal weather or the normal climate in Jeddah. Let's have a look here, or just let me ask you a question. Have you seen before a weather map or a weather forecast? Have you watched the TV on and open the TV on a weather forecast? Did you understand the symbols for the weather? Okay, let's have a look here. That's one of our objectives today. We will learn how we read a weather map, and we will understand what are the symbols of the weather. How can you ask anyone? How can you ask about the weather, and how can you reply what the weather is? Let's have a look here on those pictures. We have here 10 pictures, and we need just to match them to each one of these sentences. So match the weather forecast extracts to these symbols. Before we match and before we answer them, let's watch this short clip about the weather, and let's remember what the weather is. Do you remember what's the weather now? Accent. It's hot.
It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's sunny. It's windy.
And now, thank you for watching the video. Now let me ask you a question. What's your favorite weather? I know that everyone, he has his own favorite weather. Like for example, for me, I like when the weather is cloudy. And now you should ask yourself, what is your favorite weather? Now, let's move again, that's to our course book, and look at these pictures and try to remember from the video, or just look at these symbols and these pictures, and let's start matching those with the sentences. Number one, it will be wet tomorrow. There will be thunderstorms and heavy rain. So this is picture. Which picture is this? Accent. Picture C. Thunderstorms and heavy rain. So this is picture C. Now let's move to the next one. It will be windy all day, but with strong winds in the late afternoon. So this is picture, great, picture I. Thank you. Number three, tomorrow morning we will see a heavy frost. We will see a heavy frost in most areas. Tomorrow morning we will see a heavy frost in most areas. So this is letter, well done, letter G, when we find heavy frost. Number four, temperatures will fall rapidly this evening. Temperature will fall rapidly, which means will fall fast this evening. This is picture, well done, J. When we find here the temperature, it was up and then it fell rapidly. This is picture J. Now the next one, number five, temperatures will rise to 40 degrees during the course of the day. So after it has been decreased, or it will rise again. So this is picture, accent, the hot one here. So this is picture F. Next one, it will be cloudy with sunny intervals. So this is which picture? Yes, picture E, this one. It's cloudy with sunny intervals. So this is picture E. Number seven, there will be icy conditions on the roads in the morning. There will be icy conditions on the roads. Well done. This is picture A. And number eight, there may be 1 or 2 light showers towards the end of the afternoon. There may be 1 or 2 light showers towards the end of the afternoon. Accent, this is picture B, this one, light shower here. It's not heavy raining, so this is picture B. Next one, number 9, early morning mists in coastal areas will clear slowly. So this is picture H, this one, yeah. The last one, with clear skies and a good chance of snow tomorrow over high ground. It's good news for skiers who loves skiing. Accent. So this is picture D, the last one here. So now I hope just you got the weather symbols and just how can you describe the weather. For example, if you are ready now to watch a weather map or a weather forecast, you can describe the weather if you know these symbols. From this exercise, we need just to move to the next one here. So we need just to make we need just to gather the words here. We need just to make collocations here by finding the adjectives which go with these nouns. They are all in exercise 1 here. So from these sentences, we need just to get these words. Like number 1, rain or frost. So what's the word I can use? Accent, heavy. Number 2, when I say whence, what can I say? Or from exercise 1 here, what was written? Accent, strong whence. Strong whence. Number 3, intervals. So accent, sunny, intervals. When it was written that the weather is cloudy and sunny, intervals. Number 4, conditions. The weather will be accent, icy conditions. Number 5, showers, great, accent, light showers. And number 6, what areas? From exercise 1 here, yes, exactly. So early morning, must in, well done, coastal areas. The next one, tomorrow with what skies? Great, with clear skies. And what chance, or it will be accent, it will be a good chance for all the skiers. And number 9, what ground? Great, high ground. And this is well done. This is good news for skiers. Now we have got the answers for exercise 1 and 2. And just we have known the symbols of the weather and how can we describe each one. Let's move please just to exercise 3 in page 95. If I ask you please just to look at this weather map. So what would you expect to hear in the weather forecast for tomorrow in your country? For example, if you looked at this weather map, can you describe now what the weather will be in each city? So if I said Barcelona or Madrid, what the weather will be like here? Accent, it's cloudy and sunny, intervals. And here, for example, it's the same, maybe just, okay, here there is well done, there is, or it will be raining. So according to the weather map, we need just to listen to an audio here, an audio now, inshallah. So you will listen to this conversation or to the weather forecast with your teacher in the Zoom session, and you will be able to fill or find out the words in this time or in this schedule. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks for covering the first 2 lessons. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue unit 12. Thank you and goodbye.